Hi friends, this is Sanit More, the founder of Sunnis.com. So now in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of a hard drive. So this is the hard drive that I'm going to review in this video. The size of this hard drive is 1.5 TB. The hard drive is compatible with 3.0 USB. So it is going to be having a faster transfer rate. If you're talking about the mobile phone, this is going to be a hard drive which is going to be compatible with the mobile phones. And the good thing about this is it's not going to take up a lot of battery of your cell phone. So it's a very beneficial thing. Now talking about why we are talking about the 1.5 TB and why we are not talking about the 1 TB version. The simple reason is the 1 TB version of this same company is like just 400 rupees less, and in just 400 rupees you're getting 500 GB extra storage. So that's like a very good deal, and that's the reason I'm like very impressed with this. Talking about the portability of this hard drive, it's very much portable. It can fit into any pocket. Talking about the connections of this hard drive, it comes with a USB 3.0 cable, and it just gets directly connected like that. So this is the end which is going to go directly into your computer. A lot of people have purchased this hard drive and got some good results out of it, and I'm personally using this, so I am pretty much confident about how it works. It's very fast. In a while I'm also going to be showing you the transfer rate, the copying speed of this hard drive. But yeah, it's very good hard drive. So if you want to buy this hard drive, I have put a link under this video. You can just click on to that link. That's it for this video. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and bye. Yeah, if you want to